Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well into the video. हम डेकोरेशन से रिलेटेड आइडियाज़ हम आपके साथ आज की इस वीडियो में शेयर करेंगे व्यूअर्स। सो आई होप कि आपको हमारी आज की वीडियो पसंद आएगी व्यूअर्स, तो आप लोग इसे लास्ट तक जरूर देखिएगा। अगर आपको हमारी आज की वीडियोस पसंद है तो आप इसे लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन पर प्रेस करें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आप लोगों तक पहुँच जाए व्यूअर्स, और आप लोग इनसे आइडियाज कैरी कर सकें व्यूअर्स। तो let's start the review. Cotton table hands ideas for fabric. Do you have a bunch of fabric scarf lying around your house? We Bluetooth scarf can pull up for several reasons. If you are or have saved your scarves because you can dare to see them go to waste. No matter your reason, it's easy for your of to reach a manageable level if you are not careful. So why not put them into one project and craft made from scarf of fabric. Fabric scarves are trifling big and trees you have cut off from your budget. They can be a collection of different fabric patterns and sizes that make it challenging to find a use for you. To the right place if you are looking for something to do with all these bites and trees. If you have grown attached to some of your clothes and materials, saving the scarf and making something new is a great way to pause them. Here we included a list of 14 creative ideas that can inspire you to go some things with your collection of scarves. This collection of ideas ranges from functional items like pouches and masks to decorations and shirts like handbags and stuffed toys. No matter your skill level, we are sure you can find something that suits you. So, but before we get into it, if you need guidance on where to begin, we have prepared a list